Yes, sir. Just got approved for a 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat by using a CPN. All you have to do is add auto primary Tradelines onto your credit profile. By building that up, you can get approved for any auto loan or credit cards and get approved guaranteed. The banks and lenders will pull your credit report, and once they see your CPN has enough backdated primary Tradeline history, which is credit history, you will get approved for a specific limit depending on which auto primary Tradeline you added. I added a $70,000 auto primary Tradeline to get approved for this $60,000 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. So if you're trying to get a car or an exotic car or a sports car or a high limit credit card, if you add primary Tradelines, that will help you boost your credit and also give you established credit history, which the banks and lenders will look for, especially if you're trying to get approved. If you have bad credit, adding primary Tradelines will boost your credit score to a high 800s and get you approved for what you need and what you want.